Thank you very much. Good evening to all of you. I'm really happy to be here. Just before, Solange Guédère asked me why Total only is speaking. I don't know, I'm not the organizer, but I just want to precise that Total is not American, Total is French, but we certainly do have a strong presence in Texas, so maybe that's the reason why. I'm really happy to be here in the honor of His Excellency, the Minister of Mine and Energy of Brazil, Fernando Coelho. I would like as well to welcome the presence of Décio Oddone, the General Director of ANP, and Pedro Parente, the President and CEO of Petrobras. I'll be very quick in my remarks just to mention once again that we are facing ourselves, the oil and gas company, very high technical challenge today. At the same time, the industry is facing a very tough economic situation, you know it all, with a low oil price environment. As we cannot and we will not bet on a higher oil price, I think it's of the utmost importance for all of us to reduce our break-evens of our projects and our operation. For this reason, it's essential to work closely together and to be more efficient, more innovative, and challenge each other to find the best solution for our common projects. We know all the efforts which are made by the government of Brazil and by the Minister of Mine and Energy, as well as the ANP. It is a great contribution for helping us to force stability in Brazil and to reinforce our commitment to invest for the long term in your country. OTC has been always a gathering for excellence, and it's good to be here together again. Total received several awards over the years, but the more remarkable ones were awarded for deepwater successes. Total was honored with the OTC Distinguished Award in 2003 for Girassol, one of our first important deep offshore project, an Angolan project. That award recognized Total entry into its deep offshore adventure in West Africa and the innovative implementation solution that Girassol had required. This development has been marked by three key dates: the discovery in '96, the sanction in '98, and the first oil in 2001. A number of innovations brought by Girassol have made a landmark to industry: risers, bundle, jumpers, suction anchors, modular FPSO, all achieved on a very fast track. 10 years after Girassol, a second OTC award was received by Total for Passfloor. It recognized Total deep offshore expertise and celebrated the first deep offshore separation unit, which has been operating flawlessly since first oil in 2012. Our offshore expertise has been since developed and demonstrated over several projects throughout the world and the decade, and the latest one being USAN in Nigeria, Kaombo in Angola, and Ichthys in Australia with our partner INPEX. Petrobras is a super champion of deep offshore, a reference for the whole industry, and they can be proud of their achievement. The capability that you have shown in developing the pre-salt with a production above 1 million barrels a day today in only 10 years after the discovery well is simply outstanding. Petrobras received its well-deserved OTC Distinguished Achievement Awards in 2015. Both Petrobras and Total are already recognized internationally to be leaders in ultra-deep offshore projects. And I wanted to tell you today, in the name of our chairman and CEO, Patrick Pouyanné, the respect that Total has for the technological knowledge and achievements of Petrobras. For the future, we would like, together, Petrobras and Total, to further develop this knowledge and reinforce our technical cooperation. It's the whole spirit of our partnership beyond our common project, Libra, Yara, and Lapa. We are convinced that we can work together in a more integrated way to reduce the time necessary to make innovation, unlock new resources, and reduce our cost to remain competitive even in a low-price environment. It is vital for the next successes of our industry. Brazil has been blessed for its natural resources. Let's address together the next challenges with safety, respect for the environment, and a common commitment for a better energy. Muito obrigado. Thank you for your attention.